Alright, I watched a couple of videos on removing the door glass, specifically around changing out the mechanism here, but it's going to be close enough. I think it's going to get really fun when we get to doing the vent windows, but that'll be a little bit later. The whole trick to this one is 3 screws here and here and here. If they don't come out, this is going to be a very short video. Good news is one came out. The bad news is the other ones did not. This might not be the right way to do it, but I will give it a shot. I'm just going to undo what I can and see if I can just pull the whole assembly up and out of the window. This might be folly, but it wouldn't be the first time I did that. That's the back slider here. Looks in really good condition. This door actually is not the original door to the car. A couple indications. I see a steel beam on the back side. I don't think they did that until '68. And the black color here is not original either, unlike the other door. So back slider. I believe that's basically the entire regulator, from what I can tell. I may be able to slide it. Possibly out of its track, I don't know. I can get the backside out of its track. At least not here. Two 7/16 bolts here, and these are for adjustment of the glass. Top one's already out. I think it's time to go watch some videos on how to actually take the glass out. Another attempt here. Now we're going to try to get the vent window out, see if that actually allows us to get this glass out. This glass, the two screws holding in the glass won't come out. I may end up drilling them out. We'll see if I can get this trick to work. Long bolt at the top. You just need to turn it in far enough to get past that body piece. At least that's the theory. That's adjusted all the way in, so that should be clear. Now we got some movement. Actually, before I drill it out, I just bought an easy out set. Too bad the package isn't easy to get out. We will see what this does. Well, that worked. surprisingly well. Well, the second one fought me a bit more, but now I should be able to lift the glass out. Unless there's a stop somewhere I didn't catch. Here's my stop, I bet. That's not where it stop. Whew. So now we should have most things out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and remove the regulator finally here. This actually looks remarkably good, so that's a good sign. We'll see how the other side looks when it comes out. Now in theory there shouldn't be anything holding that vent window in place. I spoke too soon. Yet one more place to unscrew, which is from this plug here. And then you have access to that bottom one. The trick is definitely take these adjusters out first. That's one, and the other one is right here. And that's the vent window. Aside for a few loose things at the bottom of the door, that door is officially stripped. This should be that rear track with an adjuster. I don't even know if that one turned. Not without a lot of persuasion. The door looks remarkably good on the inside. Might have some problem up the upper front of it, but otherwise hopefully it'll be usable. Leaving the stop out for now. I think that might do it. Oh, I gotta take out the door latch. That came out remarkably easy. 3 screws on the end. There's 2 screws here, and there's 1 small screw right there just holding the bracket up. I have no idea how this thing works. This tall one here is the block. I'm not sure where this one goes or what it does. That probably goes to the exterior door handle. And this was also part of the locking mechanism, most likely to the key. So button, key, interior lock, interior latch. Glass, door lock, and again, this hooked one, that should go to the handle, the button on the door. This one should go to the key. This goes up to the upper lock and the inside lock, and then the long one goes up to the inside door latch.